Welcome to Lesson 1 on budgets. So what is a budget? Well, a budget is simply an organized plan for income and spending. Now, some people may list their sources of income and what they are spending their money on in a table, or use a spreadsheet on a computer to organize their finances. They might create this budget on a monthly or yearly basis, but either way it is helpful for future planning. Now, some of the items you may put in your spending or expenses column include mortgage or rent. This will probably take up a large portion of your expenses. If you have a mortgage, you'll have to pay property taxes. You also have groceries, heat and light, home phone and or cell phone bill, cable and or internet, car payment or some sort of transportation, could be taxi or bus pass, gas if you do have a car and house insurance, clothing expenses, personal care items, and entertainment, things like dining out with friends, going to the movies. And there are many more expenses. This is just a sample. Now, many of these may not relate to you right now, but you should keep these in the back of your head when you do think about your future. Now, in terms of income, you can earn money from jobs. You can have a regular source of income, where say you work so many hours per week and then you get a paycheck every few weeks. Or you can complete odd jobs, where you do some tutoring every now and then, or you shovel a neighbor's driveway and they pay you for that. You can earn money from scholarships or even rental properties. Now, some forms of income is called earned income, where you do some work and you get paid for it. But some is called unearned. So when you get paid even when you don't work. So something like a rental property, or even earning interest on an investment, or even if you're given a gift for your birthday in the form of money, that is all considered to be income. Now, a balanced budget is when your income equals your expenses. So if you make $500 in a month and then you spend $500 in the same month, so at the end of the month you have $0, this means your budget is balanced. Now, in terms of savings, I mentioned previously that creating a budget is important for future planning. So planning for retirement, you may want to invest some of your money in an RRSP, for example. Some people want to save for unexpected expenses or save for a rainy day. This is when, say, your car breaks down or you need to fix your roof. You want to have some money set aside for these sorts of expenses. You might want to pay for schooling. If you attend post-secondary, then there's tuition fees or maybe even housing fees depending on where you go to school. If you're saving for a mortgage, you need to put down a down payment, which means a large lump sum before you can even purchase the house. Or saving for a car is often a top priority on a young person's mind. But creating a budget can help you prepare and achieve your saving goals.